right, we're back at the 2000 Ford Expedition. Today I'm going to wrap up all of the repairs that I think I can do immediately before start kind of driving it around and seeing if there's any other major issues that I might need. What we're going to do first is change the coil packs. These are coil over plug type, and basically just one screw holding this in and a little connector. Once you get this loose, it should come right out. It's kind of a little tight in there. They're just under the fuel rail there. You can see there's one right here. So I'm hoping to just get the screw out and there's enough play there. If not, I may have to flush the fuel out of the fuel rail and pop that up, but hope not. I think what I'll do is just disconnect the injectors. That'll give me a little play and we'll go from there. I think since I'm in here too, I'm going to change this engine air filter. I want to take this housing off, maybe take this little plenum here off, spray some throttle body cleaner inside there, just kind of do some top engine little minor stuff that I can do, clean the sensors, and then get under, change the oil, put some new wiper blades on, and we'll see where we're at. Alright, that looks like that's about how that's going to go. So we do a lot of fiddling around and get the rest of these on. So here's a new one. The connector, you just pinch the little retainer underneath and it'll come out. You want to get a magnet or something, unless you have some kind of socket that has a rubber kind of retainer in it or something, 1/4 inch to take the bolts off for these. Otherwise, you'll start dropping them, and those are pretty small, so that would be kind of a pain to try to fish those out. So this is going to take a while. Throttle body looks a lot cleaner. It was nasty. So I'm going to probably do that one more time, clean the rim, the edges of the butterfly, the vane as much as I can, and that'll be probably all I can do there. Put some treatment in the engine, fuel rather, and then this filter looks good, so we'll just kind of use that as a spare, I guess. I'll check the cabin air filter, change the oil and wipers, and let's try to get this thing ready to cruise around the block. It's still missing. Probably have to get plugs and go through that circus again, but let's see how it goes. Got a little hesitation on the acceleration in the beginning, a little sluggish. I am going to put this seafoam in. It's high mileage formula, and it's designed for engines that have 75,000 miles or more. I have about half a tank, so that's about 12, 13 gallons. I'll use about 2/3 of this can. So I'll come down to see if I can estimate it to be around here and just put it right into the fuel. That's about half. About half again. I think that'll do that. That'll do. And I'll just drive it around here and there and see if I can get some things flushed through, clean up that fuel system a little bit. Don't know how far or how long this went sitting, so just have to assume that's got a lot of gunk in the system. All right, one more thing down.